fasten and you carry an item stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate. The captain has turned off your seatbelt sign. Use caution when opening overhead vents to prevent injuries from items that might have shipped during flight. You cannot use your mobile devices. Before you leave the aircraft, be sure to check your seat pockets, the overhead vents, and the floor area around your seat for any items you brought on board. We invite you to visit delta.com for all future travel needs, including checking in for a flight or managing your SkyMiles account. On behalf of Delta, the Sky team, and our global partners, especially this Minneapolis-based group, we thank you again for sharing your journey with us. We have enjoyed having you on board, and we look forward to serving you again soon. You guys have fun and have a wonderful night and stay in Cancun.
What time is it?